I hope the wind is not getting captured. It's windy again. Roll. My eyes are getting watery. Is it because I'm not blinking? Let's do damn, that was scary. That was scary. Whoa, look at that. It's like real. Cannot see it. It's too far. Cannot see it. It crashed, but it landed flat. Okay, I can arm it. When it's sideways, it's hard to orient ourselves. When it's front, when it's facing us or it's backwards, it's easy. But when it's sideways, it's hard. Yeah. Now I'm facing against the sunlight. It's so hard. So I try to always how do you call this? Yaw, so I can see the LED. Look, I'm gonna bring the quad closer to me and then I'm gonna yaw it. See, there's a LED. Can't see. Where is it? Where's the LED? Shit, I can't see. Oh shit, I can't see. GPS. I turned on GPS because I cannot see anymore. Damn it. So I enabled GPS because I cannot see it. Right, there you go. It's right there. Okay, it's GPS is still enabled. It's gonna land. Oh shit, don't go there. So Betaflight, why did you do that, Betaflight? It was, I launched it there and you landed it here. But yeah, so that's the good thing about it. Was so far out there, right? But I could not see the LED because it was too bright. So I enabled GPS so it can return back to me. So I was able to save my drone. Alright guys,